Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner, and I already love how crinkly the pages are getting and how chunky it's getting. Oh, so excited. But now this week I will be using a sticker shop that is new to me. They're Faded Chronicle, and I think they're a Canadian shop as well. And I purchased her, I had to write it on the back, Beige Fall Florals. Beige fall florals, beige fall flowers, beige fall flowers, goodness gracious. And I bought her journaling kit, and then I realized that she does digitals, so I wanted to buy the Sidebar florals that I could print on my own. Great thing about digitals is that you can make them whatever size you need and print off whatever you need. So I printed off this one for the weekly spread, and then I printed off this massive one for the daily spread. So excited. Let's get started. If I sound very sniffly and stuffed up, it is because I am. Recovering from whatever the children gave me from school. As all parents know, as soon as kids start school, we get whatever they're sick with. Ooh, before I do that one, I'm gonna put down this Simply Gilded washi to place up at the top. Hold on, I didn't want it to go that far. Ruler. I have like, oh, there goes Lucy barking again. She is probably barking, if I'm correct, barking at the UPS guy who's bringing in my Vistaprint order. So let me finish this washi and then I'll see what she's up to. Lucy's barking at the other puppies that are, I say puppies, but the dog's walking down the street, which are like probably 3 times her size. Of course, all dogs do that. Okay, then I decided to print it on clear matte, and I love that. And then the other half of this sticker, I am going to put on this side. And yeah, maybe make it below the date. Pretty. And I'll add a little bit of washi as well, just to balance it out. Oh, I like that already. And then I could always put something in the middle if I wanted to. Then I have all of these stickers and they're so pretty. It's just a matter of being able to put all of them down. Like I have so many, like there's so many good ones that come in this kit. So I'm gonna use this and create like my header down at the bottom for meals, basically. Kind of just have that separation, and then do the same thing on this side, but with this longer one. Place this one there. And I mean, I'm going to the mountains with my sister next week. I don't know if I'll be keeping track of meals, maybe just as like knowing what we had, rather than for keeping track for weight loss purposes. Oh, I like that. I want to add, there's one more sticker here. Or do I add, I haven't used any of these. These are so pretty. I almost feel like I should have added a different one there. Gosh, I'm out of breath. Let me figure this out while I switch things around. Okay, I almost feel like I should put a sticker there in the middle because they are so pretty. So, and there's so many good ones. Oh, stuck. And I love her sticker paper. I need to know where to get that sticker paper. And then put these teeny ones. Oh, there's Lucy barking outside again. Oh my goodness. On this side, just to add a little bit more. Cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my sidebar. So I'm gonna take this sticker. Oh, this isn't usually how I do things in my sidebar, so I'm going to talk you guys through it. Take that sticker with a little box in it and write in the word sleep with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. and then just draw in a graph where I have the hours down the side. I'm like counting the hours to make sure I have the right numbers. And then the days of the week down here at the bottom. And the way that I do this is I use the hours basically to graph how long I slept, and then immediately above that I write my sleep score, which is a percentage I get from Fitbit. And then, no, not that one. I will then put, let's do this one right underneath that. And then I'm gonna place this one so it looks like I've got a label. Oh, that is cute. And then write in workout. And because I've been sick, I haven't been doing my workouts as like my weightlifting workouts recently. And I noticed since I finished the program a few weeks ago, I've been feeling tired and not wanting to do the weightlifting. And then I'm sick. So there was a whole reason for that. Okay, and then down here in the corner, is there enough room for that? Is there enough room? Yes, there is. Perfect. And then what would go with that without, yes, more plaid. Oh my God, so cute. Then I'm gonna place like a little leaf. Oh, I love these tiny stickers because you can create like so many good clusters, and oh, I love it. All right, so then let's move on to the next section. And I apologize, you just totally didn't see me do that, but I created this little cluster here, which I absolutely love. So I feel like this is gonna be like more of a, I say haphazard, but I also need to remember to leave some stickers for my journaling spreads. So I won't go crazy on these. This feels like already a lot of stickers for me. So maybe if I just do a little one here. I mean, the thing is, I don't need to write down that it's meals. I could just do this and then do the same here. And that's basically my meals header down at the bottom. And then write BLD for each day. Yeah, that works. I was overthinking it. Sometimes I overthink where to place the stickers because it's not my usual way of doing things, and this kit is definitely not my usual way of doing things. But I like that. I like experimenting with different, stickers, different sticker shops, because they all offer different things, and it's nice to challenge ourselves with different stickers. So, okay, I'm only working 3 days next week. Oh, so excited. How do I want to put that? When it comes to putting down the stickers for work, I think I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm actually just going to go ahead and brush letter in the word work. However, my work shift on Monday is going to be a little weird. So I am actually starting at 8:30 and then working straight through until about 2:30. And then going to pick up my kids, be back literally at like 3:30, and then working until 5:30. So it's a weird shift that day. And then, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, hold on. Where is my whiteout? So then, see, one thing throws me off. And then back to regular shift on, what day is that? Tuesday. Oh, it's gonna be a weird week because one of my agents that I have become close with while working, and one I have grown to really admire and respect, she is retiring next week, and I'm actually on holiday when she leaves, so that makes it kind of sad. Okay, now that all of that is in there, it's like, what pen am I using? I'm gonna be using, I realize I still have that on there, sorry. I still might put that down somewhere. Let's leave that there for now. How many stickers do you guys have on like your arms or your hands while you're planning? Or is that just me? So then I'm gonna put my to-do list here for Monday, which is my meal planning and ordering groceries. I also, and actually I'll probably be doing that this weekend, so I won't put that down here. There's a few things that are going to be happening this morning. So I think this is the only pen I want to use because it matches so well. So this morning is going to be crazy because we're going to drop off Lucy at my mom's, then drop off the kids at school, and then my sister and I have our flight at 10:40. And how do I want to put that down with a sticker? So I've taken this kind of little washi strip here, and I'm going to put it down for when our flight time actually is supposed to be, but I'll write on top of it with my Tombow Dual brush pen, or Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, sorry. So we are going from YEG to, what is the airport code for Kelowna? YLW. I haven't actually been to Kelowna in years. And then I will leave that, but then I will put down this washi for when our flight is coming back, which I need to double check. All right, so putting that down here, that fits in there perfectly. So then that'll be YLW to YEG. Perfect. Okay, so that little sticker I didn't end up using. So how do I want to go ahead and do this? Because I know Henry has his activities here, and I think that was the thing that I was asking when I went off to Toronto, is do I keep track of them as well? I think I will for, that's a hard one. Do I keep track of them, or do I just put Post-its on so I know that they're there? Like if I have Post-its on here, then, you know, but I do know that I will have to fold laundry. And I'm actually not going to make myself do a whole bunch of cleaning when we get back, because we have the cleaner coming on the 25th, which I am very happy about. Then there's the folding laundry sticker. To take this cute one from Paper Bits Co. and fold laundry. It's always a thing to do when I get back. And then I know for sure that my husband has to pick up the groceries. That's the thing, right? There's things that are happening at home that I normally keep track of. And I'm wondering if I should actually order groceries to be picked up on the Wednesday so that I can put them all away. I'm wondering if we should actually just do that instead. I will switch things around slightly so that I can put away all the groceries and make sure that all the kids and Rob are okay before I go. So let's find I haven't used that grocery sticker yet from Paper Bits Co. So I'll have my husband pick up groceries on Wednesday night. From 6 to 6:30 probably. I love this pen. Love this pen. And then Tuesday night, my husband will put out all of the garbage bins. I'll continue to say garbages because I am not an English teacher. I am not here to show anybody how to speak English. This is my personal planner. So put out garbage. Okay. I think that's all that I'm going to put in here for now, because this is the thing that happens when I go on vacation, is that there's nothing that I have planned yet, or we do have plans. Gosh, I'm still noticing that's there. We have plans, which my sister and I are going to discuss actually right after I finish filming this. So one of the things that we're going to be doing is We have a wine tour. It's like a classy pub crawl, but with vineyards. So it's like for funner. Just kidding. But yeah, we're doing a wine tour in Kelowna, because if you know anything about Kelowna, they're in wine country in BC. And then I hope that she and I can also do a hike while we're there. So really we're there for about like 2.5, a little over almost 3 days, because we get there at like 11:30 in the morning on the Thursday. So we have all of that day, all of Friday, all of Saturday, and then a little bit of Sunday. Oh, I'm so excited for that. Really excited. So what I'm gonna do actually, I'm just gonna place this sticker here, just because it's been hanging out on my arm for too long. Oh, I really like that. Simple, but so pretty. So pretty. All right, but that is it for me this week. I love how soft and peaceful this looks. Really nice. All right, once again, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.